That's a beautiful view, right? All right, let's get straight to the video. The economy is messed up. That's the story. The economy is messed up. But what I need y'all to understand is that where there's financial struggle, there's opportunity. I was just sitting here thinking about the fact that the 99-cent store is not the 99-cent store no more, right? You go over there, stuff is like $1.19, $1.29, and all that. You know them Arizona drinks, they used to be like 99 cents. It's not that no more. Eggs are super expensive. People losing their jobs. People can't even get jobs. People, going to 9 to 5s in traffic that they don't love. You can't see them on the freeway from here, but you know what I'm saying? Y'all get the point. So I wanted to drop this video because I need y'all to understand that with financial struggle, there's an opportunity. I need y'all to look at it like that. You guys are the chosen ones. You guys are the blessed ones that are watching my channel. I appreciate all y'all support. So I want y'all to take everything I'm saying in this video and do something with it. Financial struggle means there's opportunity. What does that mean? The FCRA and FDCPA, they literally tell y'all what I'm telling you as far as opportunity. The FCRA, if you don't know, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, 15 USC 1681. If it does not say what I'm about to say, then cancel my channel. It says the banking system is dependent upon fair and accurate information. The banking system is dependent upon fair and accurate credit information, right? It's dependent upon these credit reports being good so that money can be lended out. So they're letting you know in the FCRA that credit is very, very important. But how does someone's credit get bad? Based on the economy we're in. If you're in a situation where you don't have a job, you're losing your job, everything's getting more expensive, aren't you going to be late on some of your payments? Late payments, 35%, right? So that lets you know that there's an opportunity because it's going to be hella people that got late payments. If you understand the FCRA, if you understand these consumer laws I tell you to do, you can help people clean this up and earn more income. Because the economy is how it is, the only option is to complain or make more money, right? You could do both. So you could complain, you can quit, you could do all that, but I recommend that you make more money, right? So focus on the FCRA, right? The FDCPA, what does that say? It talks about abusive debt collection practices. It says that abusive debt collection practices contributes to the increase in personal bankruptcies. Look up these laws and read it. These laws literally wrote what's going on right now. The FCRA wrote what's going on right now. The FDCPA wrote what's going on right now. So the way I looked at it is there's an opportunity because people are struggling financially. People are struggling financially. Look around. Look around at maybe the people that you're around. Look around at the world. Look around at your coworkers if you work a 9 to 5. People are struggling right now. It's crazy. But what I need y'all to understand too, you need to develop a high income skill. What do I mean by that? I said you can complain or you can make more money. You can complain, you can make more money. You have to develop a high income skill if you're gonna make more money. Obviously, if you're watching my channel, if you got any amount of brain cells, you understand that I teach y'all so many high income skills, right? And I say that to say, you can mentally masturbate by watching all 2,000 videos on my channel. You're not gonna do that though. But at the end of the day, you get to the next level when you sow a seed, when you invest in yourself. That's why we launched something called Cat Credit University. You probably know about it already, but maybe, I don't know, maybe you've just been cheap as far as not, getting to the next level. But high income skills is what allowed me to have this view and not have to clock into a 9 to 5. High income skills is what allowed me to basically have the time to give y'all the value that I'm giving y'all, right? And obviously, if you've been watching me, you maybe you're working a 9 to 5, maybe you don't like your current situation, maybe you're stuck at anywhere from 5 to 30K a month in your credit business. You need to get around like-minded individuals that are looking to grow as well. So let's just talk real quick about what Cat Credit University comes with, because you're presented with the opportunity right now with how the economy is. So I want y'all to make more money, but you got to meet me in the middle at the end of the day. So number one, I just want to talk about the 4 buckets that Cat Credit University comes with and what we focus on. So number one is credit repair / consumer law. Obviously, credit repair is a high income skill. You name your price. I'm not telling you to name your price, but you got to understand that if you're removing somebody's late payment, their charge off, whatever, then they're able to go get a $60,000 vehicle. They're able to go get a $500,000 house. How much is that worth, right? So just think about it. And then when we talk about the credit repair, obviously the consumer laws. So mastering the FCRA, understanding what's a reinvestigation section, understanding the block of information resulting from alleged identity theft, understanding, those laws and when to use them appropriately. That's what we focus on in Cat Credit University. Number two, suing these damn debt collectors. I just said it, the FDCPA. It says that abusive debt collection practices contributes to more personal bankruptcy, something like that. Like, look it up. It's in the congressional findings section. These abusive debt collectors. I've dropped videos already on, as far as how to go about that. But the reality, you get more money when you invest in yourself. So you can try to be like, oh, can you drop this step-by-step video and all that for this? There was someone that someone had a cheap mindset and made a comment like that I've seen before. The reality is, if you go and get around someone like me, like, let me just be real. I try not to flex or anything. I try to flex through my students. The reality is people that make the amount of money that I make, they don't even allow regular people to get around them like that without spending like thousands upon thousands of dollars. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving y'all an opportunity. $39 a month to get to the next level. But anyways, so suing debt collectors, we talk about that as well. That's definitely a high income skill. You can run up a bag doing that. Number three is funding. If you paid attention to my channel, you've seen, I funded my client $200,000. I made $20,000 in a day. I funded my client damn near $30,000, made damn near 30 racks in a day. These are people's salaries that you're able to make if you develop a high income skill. You've seen my students. You've seen the 10K payout. You've seen the 7,500 payout. You've seen the payouts. Y'all have seen it. My question to you is, like, what's holding you back from getting to the next level and you've just been looking at me for so long? Right? I just realized financial is spelled wrong. That's crazy. Financial over there. Sidebar, I was the spelling bee champion back in the day when I was the youngest, so that's slightly embarrassing. Nah, but anyways, so done is better than perfect. So number four is content / YouTube. I can't emphasize enough to y'all how much money, how much trust, trust factor we've built just based off of content, just based off of YouTube. This video is gonna nurture you eventually to do business with us. The way I look at it when I create my content, someone that watches my content for a while, you gotta literally be mentally strong or a hater not to want to invest money after you're done watching a lot of our videos. My YouTube channel is literally legal crack. My YouTube channel is literally legal crack. Cat Credit University is more valuable than, these Ivy Leagues that you call them. You got to go to school there for years. Cat Credit University, you get in there, you can make money literally today. So I say that to tell y'all, these are the 4 buckets we focus on. These high income skills that in a messed up economy. Are you going to keep watching me and my students get to the next level, or are you going to tap in, right? So, I mean, that's my question to you. If you want to get tapped in, as far as, getting to the next level, I'm going to leave the link in the description. It's only $39 a month to join us. But if not, keep using the free information at least. I still want y'all to actually take action. So if you don't got $39 to invest in yourself, then, I mean, you're in more trouble in the economy than the average person, to be honest. But with that being said, if you want nice views, you got to invest in yourself. Y'all have a blessed one.